Andrew, are you sure this thing is safe?
Oh, так easy?
This is all for the content, right?
Yep, that's what's happening when you're working on your car in a garage and you don't know how to use the tools, bro. As you can see, I've got 3 new boxes here that we have to unbox. Let's just unbox them. As you can see here on the table, we have all the parts that we are trying to install today. We got the Golf short shifter. Also, we got the brake lines for the installation of the handbrake, master cylinder, wheel woods, and the last thing is the plate to mount the handbrake. Let me just show you what's the handbrake we are using. This is the handbrake that I've got as a present from our friend Vasily. Thanks to him.
Vasily TSH Instagram bio.
Yes, we'll put it somewhere around here, around like here. So now let me show you inside what we're gonna do. We have this shifter, the original one. So we just need to get rid of it. The plate will go on top, the short shifter will go here, and everything will go here. And then at the end, we'll try to fit all the plastic parts right over here. So we're just gonna try and make it look as stock as possible. So as the cool mechanics, we have really expensive, how you call those things, you know? When you like
rolling cards.
We have some special expensive rolling cards. It's a box, rolling box. I'm not getting dirty when I'm going under the car. Oh my god. It's tight here. My gearbox is leaking some oil. Exhaust like shit.
Yeah, like the whole gearbox is a little bit in oil. But you know what they say? At least you know that it has oil. Me with my mechanical skills and knowledge, it's healthy. Do you know, is it clean Carfax? Low mileage? Only highway driven, I assume. Okay, in that case, can you pass me the 10mm socket? Let me at least disconnect this firewall thing. Maybe it's not firewall, I just don't know what's the name of it. And it was 10. Do you have like a bottle there or a glass for the bolts?
Grill on it.
Grill. This is from the episode of Mercedes that is coming as well. Okay, -1. Andrew, are you sure this thing is safe? Okay, possibly more things needs to come out. Okay, so the exhaust protection comes out as well. You know what's funny? I am the one who is taking this off, but I don't know if I'll be the one to put it back on, because I never remember how to do it. You know what they say, this is all for the content, right? Here is what we are facing at the moment. Here is the thing that Andrew wants to change. On the way of this, we have what I assume this is a drive shaft. Now, the drive shaft is held in by 3 bolts. The thing is that we can fit the wrench to get on this, we cannot fit it there, so what we need to do is spin it slightly, cross the finger, and hope that everything aligns. Andrew will jack the car from the rear wheel, so we can spin it.
Yeah, let's try. Not going anywhere.
That's how BMW mechanics are checking if the car is secure. This is so sketch.
Extension for the big one. Okay, the first bullet is up. Hurts as f.
BMW mechanics.
Is it bleeding?
Nah, a little bit.
Ah. Oh, it's bad. Yep, that's what's happening when you're working on your car in a garage and you don't know how to use the tools, bro.
Okay, I'll go next. Next up, me. Attempt. I see how you are doing it here. Okay. So if it's such a pain in the ass to unscrew it, do you think we can put it back together? Yeah, definitely. The lesson of today is like with the tools, it's way easier to do than with no tools. You know, there is a breathing practice. I think that's what we need to implement here. Just breathe calmly. You know, I'm having fun here. I am with my buddy on Saturday afternoon. Nothing else better to do. Ha! Okay, 2 gun, 1 left. Gun, not like pow pow gun, but like gone. G-O-N-E, like gone, you know? So while Andrew is doing his rotation process, I gotta say, you need to have a proper tools to work on your car, because this will be way easier if we would have a lift, a right tools, more space, but then you don't learn. So I guess the bottom line is, the tools, the garage, everything, just do what you gotta do. Be like Andrew, just build your stuff in the garage with nothing.
So yeah, guys, just wear your safety glasses before you are going under the car.
So the PPE is for the reason, right?
Yes.
Okay, and move to your left. Now I'm looking at this and I'm like, bro, it's way easier if we just remove this exhaust like completely right now. You go out.
Yep. Yep.
Nice. Oh, yes. So you sure the car will not roll?
Oh. Yep, out. It's out. We are the mechanics.
Technology.
Technology.
So as you can see, in order to do this piece right over here, we had to take off the drive shaft from right over here. Pretty much everything had to come out.
Yeah.
Now, what is the next step here?
So the next step, we need to take off this linkage.
Okay, guys, so the next episode we are replacing gearbox.
Damn.
Дякую. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Push it. Yay!
Yeah! Okay, guys. So here's the gearbox linkage.
Very successfully removed it, and from the tools that I used was flathead screwdriver, and I had this as my hammer. So I was just like hammering out.
Now I will try to match the length. Now we are installing this plate. We'll be able to put the short shifter on top of it, and plus the handbrake. Stan told me that we need to cut it right over here, this washer. Okay, sir, here's your washer. Go back. Go into the car. That's the place you have to be, okay?
Okay. Andrew, how you doing?
I'm good. You see? I put some Band-Aid on it. Okay, let me first place this. Not that easy. Okay, we are taking this boy. Okay, this one might not go in. Okay, boys and girls, we are continue working on this car.
Let's move this again. Yeah. Brute force.
Okay, guys, so now I have the automatic short shifter. It changes the gears by itself. If you need the automatic short shifter on your car, just contact us. We'll pull up to your car and we'll do that.
Gonna pimp my ride.
Okay, guys, as you can see, we finally installed the short shifter. Everything works perfectly smooth. No more stupid play in a shifter. Also, we put the handbrake here. So the remaining part of the handbrake is just to put the master cylinder right over here, fish all the lines to the ABS block, and bleed the system. We did a lot for today. Now we're gonna go and chill. See you tomorrow.
After yesterday's struggle, we've got some upgrades for the garage. First thing first, gym floor mats. Metal brush, more metal brushes, extension, cutting discs, proper set of wrenches, files, inspection tool set, finally, proper pliers. Drill set, drill bits, more drill bits because it's never enough. Main investment. You ready? Very nice vices. Vices, V-I-C-E, vice.
Catch me chilling with the plug in Miami. I'm looking like design.
Okay, while Stan is drilling the holes, we will unbox some more boxes.
Stand me, 'cause life been too.
Here's the impact wrench. some sockets. Okay. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've just finished putting the drive shaft back and the exhaust in the car. And today I was planning to finish the handbrake, but sometimes things are not going as you are planning them. So we'll just do it tomorrow. So the car is back on the ground. Okay guys, so I was cleaning up the garage. I was putting all the tools back on their spots, and one thing that I was missing is this 13mm wrench. So I was looking around, I was trying to find it, and then I realized that the last thing that I was tightening up on my BMW was the exhaust. So let's just go underneath the car and check where is our wrench. Yep. Now I need to jack up the car and take out the wrench. Yep. Now we found the missing 13mm wrench. Let's just put it back. Okay guys, so this is day 4 of me trying to install the handbrake on my BMW. I hope I will finish everything today because I finally got all the components that I need. So I was missing this one. This is the rod and ball. This one goes right on this rod on this cylinder. I got some bolts, some nuts here, and one more thing. I've got 3 bottles of the brake fluid. So the first step will be fishing these lines through the firewall. First one is good. So now we're doing the same thing with the second line. Hello. I'm just gardening. I'm not sure if that's the right way to do it, but boom. And just like that, the lines are inside of the car. And now my next step will be to install the master cylinder on my handbrake. That. I need to cut it. Let's put this rod end back on the master cylinder rod. Let's put this bad boy in. Okay, next step, connecting these lines. I have these banjo bolts here. Perfect. I think it's enough. Inside, everything is done. So now we can start connecting these lines into the ABS block. But to start with, I will try to remove the brake fluid from the master cylinder. Me. Okay guys, as you've seen from the last clip, I was trying to get rid of all the brake fluid and I couldn't do it because the plastic filter was sitting inside and I couldn't remove it. So I decided that, okay, that's fine. I'll just unscrew one of the brake lines. I removed one of the brake lines. The brake fluid started leaking everywhere. I was just running around trying to clean it up. So that's why I didn't film the whole process yesterday. So right now let's just run through the old things that I've installed on my car. Okay, so we will start from the engine bay. I have these 2 lines. They are going inside of the car through the firewall. The lines, they are right over there. I put them through the opening where your clutch cylinder line goes, and then they are going all the way here, then under the trim. They are going straight to the handbrake. As you can see right over here, I had the controls for my windows. I relocated them where the cigarette lighter used to be. I put my window controls right over here. Hey guys, as you can see, the handbrake is braking, the short shifter is shifting, and everything is working. And one more thing that I want to tell you guys, never be afraid of trying new things. And with that guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.